C3 cycle, C2 cycle, C4 cycle. Three different types of cycles are seen in photosynthesis chapter. So C3 cycle அப்படின்றது ரொம்ப காமனாக நடக்கிற சைக்கிள். இந்த C3 சைக்கிளுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் தான் கெல்வின் சைக்கிள். ஸோ இந்த கெல்வின் சைக்கிளில் தான் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு என்னவா மாறும்னா கார்போஹைட்ரேட்டாக மாறும். பட் இந்த C4 சைக்கிள் அப்படின்றது லிட்டில் இவால்வ்டு ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் C3 சைக்கிள். ஸோ C4 சைக்கிள் அப்படின்றது என்ன, C4 சைக்கிள்னா என்ன, why it happens and where it happens அப்படின்றத தான் நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். I welcome you all to Vidyalakshmi NEET and JEE Academy. Let's move on to the video. What is C4 cycle? So C4 cycle is also known as Hatch and Slack pathway because the two different friends Hatch and Slack have together discovered this pathway. So it is also known as Hatch and Slack pathway. So C4 cycle. So C4 cycle will take place in C4 plants. So C4 plants ku few examples enna na inga koduthirken. Mice, sorghum, sugarcane, euphorbia and chenopodium are the few examples for C4 plants. So C4 plants அப்படினா யூசுவலா என்ன அப்படினா C3 cycle வந்து high carbon dioxide atmosphereல carbon dioxide அதிகமா இருக்கும்போது நடக்கிறது C3 cycle. Suppose carbon dioxide கம்மியா இருந்தது அப்படினா அப்ப என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படினா யூசுவலா C3 plantsல C2 cycle or photorespiration will take place. So carbon dioxide higher இருந்தா C3 cycle நடக்கும், carbon dioxide கம்மியா இருந்தா C3 plantsல photorespiration நடக்கும். But C4 plantsல photorespiration நடக்காது. Rather carbon dioxide will fix to form carbohydrate with the help of enzyme called Rubisco. This Rubisco will combine with carbon dioxide to form C6H12O6. Okay, so adaptations for C4 plants. C4 plantsல photorespiration நடக்காது அப்படினு நான் சொல்லிட்டேன். So photorespiration நடக்காது அப்படினா அதுக்கான adaptation என்ன அப்படின்றத பார்க்க போறோம். So very first adaptation is it is having two types of chloroplast, dimorphic chloroplast. So one வந்து என்னன்னா granule, another one is agranule. So what is granule type of chloroplast? Very simple. The chloroplast which contains grana is called granule chloroplast. The chloroplast which does not contain grana is called agranule chloroplast. So what is grana here? Grana is nothing but thylakoids, a stack of thylakoids. So நிறைய thylakoids எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்க ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா கிரானா. ஸோ இஃப் மெனி thylakoids ஒன் பை ஒன் thylakoids அழகா அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் கிரானா. இஃப் த கிரானா இஸ் present then it is called granule chloroplast. If grana is absent then is agranule chloroplast. So it is seen in the mesophyll cells and it is seen in bundle sheath cells. So mesophyll cells na என்ன, bundle sheath cells na என்ன அப்படின்னா நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்க்க போறோம் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல what is mesophyll cells and what is bundle sheath cells. Yes. Okay. So very first adaptation we discussed that it shows two types of chloroplast which is nothing but dimorphic chloroplast. என்ன chloroplast னு பார்த்தோம் dimorphic. So dimorphic next என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா Kranz anatomy. So Kranz anatomy is nothing but we have already discussed that two types of chloroplast. One is present in mesophyll cells. So mesophyll cells are nothing but this is called as palisade parenchyma. This is called spongy parenchyma. So this two parenchyma, palisade parenchyma plus spongy parenchyma together called as mesophyll cells. So mesophyll cells are nothing but palisade plus spongy parenchyma are called mesophyll cells. And the cells which is surrounding the vascular bundle is called bundle sheath cells. Okay. So question comes here. So idhula enga C4 cycle nadakku, enga vandu C4 kulla Kelvin cycle. So here see the C4 cycle also contains Kelvin cycle. So Kelvin cycle is called C3 cycle. So in the C3 cycle Kranz anatomy la enga nadakku appdinu kettinga bundle sheath cells. So this bundle sheath cells are the location of Kelvin cycle or C3 cycle. Okay, previously I have discussed what is C3 cycle or Kelvin cycle. If you want, you just click the below description. Okay, so this is Kranz anatomy which is nothing but mesophyll cells plus bundle sheath cells. So bundle sheath cells are nothing but the cells which contains chloroplast, which is a type of A granule chloroplast, and here the Calvin cycle is going to take place. Okay, here the actual C4 cycle. So actual C4 cycle we are going to discuss here. So before the C4 cycle starts, you know, the carbon dioxide will join with, this is the mesophyll cell, mesophyll cell. So carbon dioxide irukallama, this carbon dioxide will join with water. So carbon dioxide water oda fuse ஆகி என்னவா form ஆகும் அப்படினா H2CO3, then once again it will break to form HCO3 minus. From this HCO3 minus, the one carbon compound will join with phosphoenol pyruvate, the 3 carbon compound, then the 3 carbon compound plus 1 carbon compound will form 4 carbon. So the very first formed carbon is 4 carbon. அதனால தான் இந்த சைக்கிளுக்கு பேர் என்ன அப்படினா C4 cycle. Why the cycle is called C4 cycle? Because the very first formed compound is 4 carbon, which is nothing but oxaloacetic acid. So oxaloacetic acid is the first formed compound in the C4 cycle. Okay, all this process happens in where? Mesophyll cells. So in the oxaloacetic acid next என்னவா convert ஆகும் அப்படினா malic acid convert ஆகும். Once again the malic acid is a 4 carbon compound. So this malic acid will now enter to, this cell is called bundle sheath cells. The cell is called bundle sheath cells. So bundle sheath cells la idhukku munadi da paatha, bundle sheath cells la da enna nadakum appadina, the important cycle called C3 cycle or Calvin cycle. Here the entered malic acid which contains 4 carbon compound, malic acid என்னவா convert ஆகும் அப்படினா pyruvic acid. It will be converted into pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon compound. So 4 carbon 3 carbon ah marumbodhu 1 carbon will be released in the form of carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide will be fixed by RUBP. So RUBP plus carbon dioxide will give once again glucose C6H12O6. Now the Calvin cycle takes place in the bundle sheath cells. Now this pyruvic acid will go to once again the mesophyll cells. So mesophyll cells குள்ள போகும்போது pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound என்னவா convert ஆகும் அப்படினா once again the phosphoenol pyruvate convert ஆகும். So இந்த processல extra-வா 2 ATP is used. So in addition to Calvin cycle, additional for C4 cycle எவ்வளோ ATP யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா additional 2 ATP per molecule of carbon dioxide. So one molecule of carbon dioxide fix பண்றதுக்கு additional எத்தனை ATP யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குதுன்னா 2 ATP. So one molecule of glucose C6H12O6. So one molecule of glucose ல எத்தனை carbon இருக்குமா 6 carbon இருக்கு இல்லையா. So அப்ப additional எத்தனை ATP தேவைப்படுதுன்னா 6 into 2 additionally 12 ATP is required. So C4 cycle na onnu illa, C4 cycle na bundle sheath cells and mesophyll cells rendu cells me use panikom. So mesophyll cells la vandu as usual enna agum appadina malic acid will be converted into, malic acid will be produced and the malic acid will enter to the bundle sheath cells. Bundle sheath cells la it will be converted into pyruvic acid. So 4 carbon 3 carbon ah marumbodhu or carbon dioxide will be released. That carbon dioxide will be used for Calvin cycle. Next ATP chart. So ATP chart la C3 cycle, C4 cycle, C3 cycle la evlo ATP use ஆகும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா to produce one molecule of glucose 18 ATP. 18 ATP is used to produce one molecule of glucose, whereas here same இங்கேயும் Calvin cycle நடக்கிறதுனால to produce one molecule of glucose how many ATP is required? 18 ATP is required. C4 cycle னு சொல்றோம் கண்ணா, but C4 cycle என்ன நடக்கும்னா C3 cycle will takes place. So 18 ATP in addition to that one carbon dioxide fixation it need 2 ATP. So total one glucose molecule 6 carbons irukku. So 12 ATP together we need 30 ATP. This is the energy requirement for C4 cycle and C3 cycle. C3 cycle is just 18, here it is 30 ATPs. Why that extra 12 ATPs? Because for the carbon dioxide fixation in mesophyll cells, when the conversion of PA to PEP, it will use what? 2 ATP molecule per carbon dioxide. Okay, for one carbon production 2 ATP is the additional requirement. So this is the difference between C3 and C4 cycle. So photosynthesis chapter la we have three different cycles. One is C3 cycle, next is C2 cycle, next is C4 cycle. We have already discussed what is C3 cycle, and in this video I have discussed what is C4 cycle. Next we will see what is C2 cycle. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.